Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.